ng copy niyan once you become an affiliate member, no? Napakagandang marketing tool siya na pinrovide ni Ben, no, para sa ating lahat. Okay, simulan natin. Live Good Opportunity. Ayan. Unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products but about saving people money on health products. Tuturuan po natin, no, na maging healthy ang mga tao pero hindi po mabigat sa bulsa. Yan po ang offer ni Live Good. So if you have a passion for health and wellness, and if you are not and if you have a passion for helping people, and if you are not looking for a get rich quick scheme, welcome to Live Good. So Live Good is a club membership that pay. So this is not a traditional MLM company, all right? This is a new concept, club membership, subscription. Napakarami pong klase ng club membership, pero ito lang po ang kumpanya na club membership, pero binabayaran po tayo ng company. In fact, you can earn money as a club member of Live Good whether or not you refer other members to the program. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ito lang ang kumpanya na lahat pwedeng kumita. Lahat kikita. Bakit? Yun nga walang ni-refer, walang in-invite, kikita. Lalo na po yung masisipag mag-invite. Grabe, no? So, congratulations to us. Napabilang tayo sa isang napakagandang kumpanya, bagong konsepto. Lahat masaya. Okay? Pag sa Live Good, lahat masaya po.